Wrecks, accidents, collisions that involve the death of a person is considered a wrongful death case. In wrongful death cases, obviously we don't represent the person who has been killed, but the family members, the beneficiaries of those who've been killed as a result of the wrongdoing, the negligence of another person or a corporation. There are a number of steps to a wrongful death lawsuit, but just to give an overview, what we do is we sit down with clients, we get information that's needed to pursue the claim, we get an understanding, an idea of the person who the family has lost, or the beneficiaries have lost, and we prepared from the very beginning to get information that we need to go forward in a lawsuit, because oftentimes these cases don't resolve by themselves and we have to file a lawsuit in order to get the family compensation for the death of a loved one. It's my experience that the death of a person is devastating on the family members who are left behind. Usually is unexpected because it results from an accident, it results from a collision, and the people are shocked. And many times people don't want to communicate with other people when they're shocked, but oftentimes, the best time to reach out to a lawyer is shortly after this incident happens, because you don't want to lose precious information that might turn out to be evidence that assists you with regard to bringing some sort of action to recover damages for your loved one who's been killed. There are a number of different people who can be held liable, but to sum it up, when someone is killed, it's usually the result of the negligence or wrongdoing of a person, or the negligence and wrongdoing of a corporation. And usually it's via a person when a corporation has been negligent and caused the death of a person. There are all types of damages available in a wrongful death lawsuit. There's a statute in different states that set forth what those damages are. Without going through a laundry list of them, most states will allow people to be compensated for the love and affection of a loved one, for the money that the loved one would have been able to earn to provide to the beneficiaries. There's a list in most jurisdictions, in the 5 jurisdictions where I practice law, there's a statute that sets forth what those damages are. I've been handling wrongful death cases since shortly after I began practicing law in 1998. I've been doing it for quite some time now. I've seen all types of different wrongful death matters, from premises liability to products liability to auto accidents with cars, motorcycle collisions, cars with defects, and wrecks involving commercial motor vehicles and other types of work vehicles. Our past clients and our current clients would say that Osborne Law Firm is a firm that cares. The lawyers, the paralegals, those who call and speak with you about your case on a daily basis or a regular basis care about your case. At Osborne Law Firm, we think it's very important to maintain good communication with our clients. And our clients call us. Typically, we're available when they call. If we're not available right then we try to get back in contact with them with a very short period of time. We try to keep our clients always on top of what's going on. We try to keep them current on what's happening in their cases. We understand that for almost each one of our clients, their case is the most important thing, or one of the most important things in their lives. We respect that, we appreciate that, and we work hard to deliver. Osborne Law Firm is a small law firm that handles personal injury cases. And there are a number of advantages to having a small law firm represent you versus having a large law firm represent you. With Osborne Law Firm, you don't get lost in the system. We know who you are. Typically, our clients know each and every one of us. If you call and you can't reach me at the office, then you can speak with one of the paralegals or someone else in the office who can help you or answer your questions. Our goal is to make our clients happy, to keep a close personal relationship, and to excel in representing our clients so that in the future they can perhaps refer us other people who they think might be able to use our assistance. I am licensed to practice law in 5 different jurisdictions. My office primarily is located in North Carolina, where I practice, but I also have a law license to practice in the state of Maryland, Washington, D.C., South Carolina, and Georgia. In your initial consultation for a wrongful death case, you can expect that we will communicate to you. When I say we, I mean either myself or one of the paralegals in the office will communicate with you directly about certain things that we need to get from you, certain information. We'll take that information in. We'll get authorization signed to collect additional information. And during that period, we'll explain to you the process of what we'll go through in investigating the wrongful death matter.